Let's go. ET. Let's go terrestrial.
46 run into a little accident where I hit the median on the road and I was leaving at night. So what happened was my e46 kind of just slammed against the median and busted this tire up pretty bad. And just the side skirt and this one that I had to replace. But anyway, so what I'm doing now is the problem was it wouldn't start, and I didn't understand why it wouldn't start. So I'm over here trying to fix everything. I'm looking at the alternator. Took the fan out just to look in there. I'm checking fuel system and everything, and the situation was nothing would start. So what I did was I looked on YouTube, and this one dude was talking about his fuse box, and sure enough, that really was a problem. So I checked in here because after doing the accident, the thing kind of got bent in a little bit. So the box is kind of like, well, it's pretty fine, but I finally opened it up and I looked in there, and these two were just kind of like plopped out. It was kind of out the socket. So I put these back in and then tried to start it again. It still wouldn't really start, but I could hear it kind of trying to. And I finally looking at this and the fuel box, and I'm thinking maybe I have to replace these. But really what was going on was I opened it, and as you can see, it has trying to focus. Well, anyway, it has 430s and 120, and one of the 30s were actually in backwards. Everything else is fine. I'm thinking a fuse were kind of missing or messed up, but I just flipped 30 and it actually started back running. So you guys, just want to let y'all know, if you ever have a startup problem, just check the fuse box first, and you will save hundreds if not thousands. So we're going to try to start it up and see what the problem was. I do need some gas, so you know, eventually. And these lights were showing, I know the EML, the brake and all that, I was just then, but now it's just showing this light which just came on after the accident. So let's try, and there it is. So that's good, seeing how everything works. Does have some exhaust issues, starting to see now. But yeah, you guys, that's good. So thanks for watching. Peace.